Yes, yes. So, good afternoon, children. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. How are you all?
Fine, thank you, ma'am. How are you?
Yes, fine, fine. Okay. So, children, we were learning HCF. Okay. Agne, can you please tell me what do you mean by HCF? Yes, Agne, please unmute.
Highest common factor.
Okay. Okay. So, highest common factor. So, we learned two methods. Can you please tell me what are the two methods? First, we have written the factors. Yes?
Yes.
Yes, then?
Prime factorization.
Prime factorization method. So first method we learned, we have written all the factors, and then from the factors we were writing all the common factors, and from the common factors we know which is the highest one. That is the first method we learned. Now second method we learned prime factorization. Okay, I think some problem with the share screen. Okay.
Ma'am, I told that.
Okay, okay. When I will share the screen only. Yes, Anusri? Some problem with this board with the...
Amanat is sharing the screen.
Okay, so children, please check. Don't use any other this thing, because I think some problem they were facing with the last teacher period, no? The teacher when she was taking. Okay, so children, we learned LCM using writing all the multiples. Okay, Anandesh, can you tell me what do you mean by LCM?
Least common multiple.
Very good. Least common multiple. And we learned one method. What you were doing that? We were writing. We were writing the multiples. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
We were writing the multiples, and from the multiples we have finding the least number, which is the smallest number. Okay. Now today we will do LCM using prime factorization. Okay, let me check whether I can show you that. Agni, can you see the screen now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So children, find the LCM of 18 and 24 by prime factorization method. So children, we have studied how to find the prime factorization. First, we have done that factor tree. Yes, we were writing factor tree, or I show you one more method, division method. Okay, so this factor tree, I will write now here how you can write the numbers. Richard, please unmute and say what are the factors we can make using that factor tree. How we can find out? Yes, Richard, unmute and speak.
Yes, ma'am.
18. How we can write 18? 2 into
9.
9. Very good. 2 into 9. Now, which number is composite number here?
9.
9. And 2 is a prime number. Yes? Okay. So now is 9. How can I make this 9?
3 into 3.
3 into 3.
3.
Okay. So 18 can be written as 2 into 3 into 3. Okay. 2 into 3 into 3. Okay. So 2 into 3 is 6. 6 into 3 is 18. Okay. So this is how we can write the 18 as the product of prime numbers. So what is prime factorization? The number can be expressed as the product of prime numbers. So 18, using factor tree, we have written 18. Okay, we can find out the prime numbers. Okay. Next one here, Adinath, please unmute. Question, in the same question we have 24. I want to find the prime factors. Okay, 24. How can I write?
2 into 12.
2 into 12. Okay. Now, can you tell me which is the composite number and which is the prime number?
12 is the composite number.
And 2 is the prime number. Okay. Now, can you tell me this
Prime number.
12? How can I write?
3 into 4.
3 into 4. I can make 3 into 4 or 2 into 6. Okay. 3 into 4. And here, which is the composite number and which is the prime number?
Prime number is 3 and composite number is 4.
Very good. Composite number is 4. And can you tell me this 4, how can I make into prime?
2 into 2.
Very good. 2 into
2.
2. Okay. So children, how we can write 24? We can take 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 and again 2. So this we can take 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So when you multiply, you should get 24. So what is 2 into 2? 4. 4 into 2? 8.
8.
Into 3 is 24. So we have written 24 and 18 as the product of prime numbers. Now, how we can find out the LCM? Using this prime factorization method. That is today we will do. Prime factorization. Okay. So we know 18 can be written as 2 into 3 into 3. 24 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay. So here we will check 2 is repeated maximum how many times. Here we can see 2 is repeated only 1 time. Here we can take 2 is repeated 3 times. Okay. So we will take which the number is repeated maximum. So Anthony, can you please unmute and tell me how many times 2 is repeated maximum? In 18, 1 time. In 24, how many times?
24, 3 times.
3 times. Okay, so we will take the maximum from here. So we have 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, now check 3 is repeated maximum how many times? Huh?
In 18.
In 18. How many times?
2 times.
2 times. Here we have only 1 time. So we will take that also 2 times. So LCM we will take how many times the number is repeated maximum. We can take that one. Okay. Now can you multiply this and tell me, who can tell me? Adil. Yes, Adil. 2 into 2? 2 into 2?
Yes, ma'am.
2 into 2?
2 into 2, 4.
4 into 2
4 into 2
is
8.
8. Okay. 8 into 3?
8 into 3, 32.
8 into 3, not 8 into 4. 8 into 3.
24.
24. Now 24 multiplied by 3. If you don't know, you can multiply and write. 24 multiplied by 3. 3 into 4. 12. 1. Okay. 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7, 72. So like that we got the LCM as 72. Okay. So Chinmay. So find the LCM of 18 and 24 by prime factorization method. We have discussed now. Now we have done one more method. Can you tell me how you can write 18? We can check whether this prime factorization method, if you do, we will get LCM in both the methods same. We can check now. Can you tell me the multiplication table of 18? 18 into 1?
18.
18. 18 into 1 is 18. 18 into 2?
36.
36. 18
36.
into 4? We can check. 18 into 4. 8 4s are?
32.
32. 3 here.
82.
4 plus 1 into
72.
4. 4 plus 3? 70.
22. 72.
18 into, we have done now 18 into 4. We have not written 18 into 3. Can you tell me 18 into 3? 8 3s are 24. 2 is carry over. 3 into 1. 3 plus 2 is 54. After 54, we can write 72. So this is the method we have learned before. Okay. Now, next one, it's 24. Yes, 24. How we can write? Children,
24.
all the camera should be on. Okay.
24.
Okay.
24.
Devak, can you tell me the multiplication table of 24? Devak. 24 into 1.
24 into 1, 24.
24. Okay. 24 into 2.
48.
48. 24 into 3. Check whether if you have any doubt, you can write 24 into 3. 4 into 3?
What are the 12?
12. 1 is carryover. And
3 into 2 is 6.
3 into 2 is 6 plus 1, it's 72. So we have 72. Now, can you tell me which is the least common here? We have 18, 36,
72.
54, 72. And here 24, 48, 72. So like this method we have learned already, writing all the multiples first and write all the multiples. From that we had to find out the smallest number. So here we got 72. Okay, children. So find the LCM of 18 and 24 using prime factorization method. Also you got 72. And in writing the multiples, and from the multiples, if you write the smallest number, also we got 72. Okay, children. So we will do one more question. Then I will give you one question to do alone. Is it ready? When we use prime factorization method for the first time, you can check with what we have learned, which in the method of, first method we have written all the multiples, then find out the least common multiple. We can check together how is the answer is correct or wrong. Okay, so we'll do one more question. Okay, next one. You can write, find the prime factorization using prime factorization method. We can find out the LCM of 5 and 10. Okay, 5 and 10. Five and 10. Okay. Manu, please unmute. Manu.
Should we do this in our rough book?
Wait. After this, I will give you one question to do in your rough book. Now, one more question, because the LCM using prime factorization method we have not done. So we can practice one more question, then I will give you. Yes, Manu? 5. How we can write 5?
1 into 5.
1 into 5. Yes, 1 into 5. So we can write 1 into 5. What about 10? Yes.
5 into 2, 10.
Okay, 2 into 5. 2 into 5. And are they prime numbers?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So we can write 2 into 5. So here LCM, how we can take here LCM? We can take 2, how many times repeated maximum here? 2 is repeated how many times?
1 time.
1 time. So we can write 2 1 time. Okay. What about 5 here 1 time and here also 1 time? So how many times maximum repeated?
1 time.
1 time. So what is the LCM? 2 into 5, what is LCM?
10.
10.
10.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Now we can use our old method.
Okay.
We can check whether our answer is correct. So we will write the multiples of 5. We can write. Can you tell me the multiplication table? Yes. Manu, please mute. I will ask Gautam. Yes, Gautam. Say the multiple of 5. Multiples of 5.
5, 10.
5, 10,
15.
15,
20.
20, 25, etc. Okay, etc. Okay. Now what's multiple of 10?
10.
10,
20.
20,
30.
30, 40, etc.
40.
Okay, okay. Now tell me the common multiples. Common multiples from here.
10.
1 minute. Okay, common multiples. We can circle like 10, here also 10. And 20 also here. We are not written all the multiples. We can not write all the multiples. So we will write certain numbers, 10 and 20. Okay. Now from here, which is the least number, least common multiple?
10.
10. 10. So we can use prime factorization method also. We got 10 and writing all the multiples, then finding the common multiples and LCM also we got same numbers. Okay, children. So I will give you next question, 15 and 18. Children, take your rough book, all of you.
Ma'am, LCM of 15 and 18.
LCM of 15 and 18 using prime factorization method.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So 15, you have to write how many as the product of prime numbers. And you have to check how many times each number is repeated maximum.
Okay, ma'am.
15 and 18. So find LCM of 15 and 18 using prime factorization method. Using prime factorization. So first you have to find 18 as the product of prime numbers. And you have to, okay, you can write 18 first, 15 and 18. Then you can find out the least common multiple, LCM. Yes, Agni finished? Yes? Okay. So Agni finish. So Agni 15 can be written as, yes?
3 into 5.
3 into 5. Very good. So 3 and 5 both are prime numbers. So no need to do more factorization. Okay. Now next, what about 18?
3 into 6.
3 into
6.
6. Okay. What about here? Again, 3 is prime. And what about 6?
Composite number.
Composite number. So how we can write 6?
2 into 3.
2 into
3.
3. 2 into 3. Okay. So we can write 2 into 3 into 3. See children, after writing everything, multiply and check whether you got this number. Okay. 3 into 5 is what? 15. After writing as the product of prime numbers, children, you have to check whether you got, when you multiply, you are getting this product. 3 into 5 is 15. Now 2 into 3 is 6 into 3 is 18. Okay. So here 2 is repeated how many times maximum?
1 time.
1 time. So we can write 2 and here 3 1 time, here 2 times. So we have to write maximum number. Which is the maximum number?
3 into 3.
3 into 3. Very good. Because 3 is repeated 2 times. And here 5 is repeated how many times?
1 time.
1 time. Okay. 1 time. So we have to check the maximum number of times each number is repeated.
190.
Angelina, 5, no need to do again prime factorization. No. 5 is a prime number. So children, 2 is 1 time. 3 is here 1 and here 2. So maximum number is 2 times. And here 5, here there is no 5, but and here it is repeated 1 time. So 5. Okay, now 2 into 3 is what? 6. 6 into 3?
90.
18 into 5 is 90. Okay, very good. Correct answer. Let me check again. 2 into 3 is 6. 6 into 5 is 30. 30 multiplied by 3. You can find out easy
90.
methods too.
90.
3 into 0 is 0. 3 into 3 is 90.
90.
Very good. Okay, children. So this is a question from your workbook, page number 64, question number 18. All the children can take your I will show this screen again. All the children, please take page number 64 from workbook. Question number 18.
We can do division by both.
Now, in this method, we can use a prime factorization method. Another question, we can use how we have done factors like multiples. Okay. So, children, what do you have to do? Take page number 64. Question number 18. Brightlin, can you read that question? Brightlin? Did you get the page? All of you, show me the page. Show me the page from your workbook. Okay. You can use that factor method or division method. Okay, very good. Okay, Brightlin, read the question. Read the question.
Find the LCM of 15 and 18.
Find the LCM of 15 and 18. So, children, first what you have to do? You have to write 15 is equal to 15 is equal to 5 into 3. Yes, Gautam.
Ma'am, in 18, we can write 9 into 2 also.
18. Yes. We can take 18. 9 into 2. 2 into 9. Okay. Now 9 how we will do again?
3 into 3.
Yes. 3 into 3. So 2 into 3 into 3. Again we will get the same. Okay, children. 6 into 3 also. 2 into 9 also. You can take like that. Okay. Now, Agnes asked me, can we do division method? Yes, we can do division method also. 15
But
divided by
together.
3, we can take 5. 5 into 3, we can write 15. And 18 also we can write using this factor tree or division method. Anyway, you have to do prime factorization.
But together.
Ma'am, he's asking.
Together we will do next time. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Agnes, okay. Yes, Gautam?
No, ma'am.
Nothing. Okay, children. So you can use division method like this, or you can draw factor tree, but you have to write the numbers 15 and 18 as the product of prime numbers. 15, how we can write 3 into 5. 18, we can write 2 into 3 into 3. Now, LCM means we have to take here maximum number 3 is repeated, 2 is repeated 1 time, 3 is repeated 2 times, and 5 is 1 time. So the answer is what? Agnes told me the answer. What's the answer?
90.
90, 90. I cannot see the screen. John cannot see the screen. John? Yes, Angelina.
Ma'am, what is the answer of this question? Is it 19?
Yes, correct. 90. Correct answer. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
But in the 15th table, we don't have 19. We don't have 19 as the
This is
answer.
least common multiple. Yes. So 15, can you write the multiples? Can you tell me what are the multiples of 15? 15 into 1, 15. 15 into 2,
30.
30. 15 into 3, 45, we'll get 45, 60.
Yes, ma'am.
Like that, we will get least common multiple as 90. Okay. So children,
Okay, ma'am.
we will do question number 20 now. Question number 20.
Okay, ma'am.
Felix, please unmute and read question number 20. We have done a 19. Yes?
Find the LCM of the following.
Okay. Find the LCM of following. Question number A. What is the question?
10 and 15.
10 and 15. So, children, this chapter is 6.2 is factors and multiples. So, here we can use now factor, writing the multiples of 10 and 15, then find out. We can use this method. In 6.3, we can use all the questions prime factorization method. I teach you 2 methods, but actually prime factorization method we will write, we will practice more in 6.3. Here, what is the chapter 6.2 is factors and multiples. So question number 20, we can do factors method. In the rough book, you have to write prime factorization method. Okay, children? Madhav, can you hear me? Madhav? Please unmute and speak.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So because some children, they send the message, ma'am, I cannot hear. Yes. Okay, children, question number 20.
Okay, ma'am.
Question number 20 from page 65.
And we should write all the multiples of 10 and 15.
Can we write all the multiples, Agni?
Not all the multiples, the
we-
multiples.
We have to write the multiples. Yes, we cannot find out the multiples. Yes, because it is unlimited. Okay. Question: the multiples of we can write together the multiples of the answer we are writing. The multiples of multiples of 10. Write the multiples of 10 and write multiples of 15. The multiples of 15. Isha, please unmute and tell me the multiples of 10. Check.
Multiples of 10.
10.
10.
10 into 1 is 10.
20.
Okay.
30.
20, 30, 40, 50, etc. 60, etc. Okay.
Yes.
What about 15? Dia? Please unmute Dia. Dia have some connection problem. Harsha, please unmute and speak. Harsha. Can you tell me the multiples of 15? 15 into 1?
15.
15. 15 into 2?
30.
30. 15 into 3?
15.
30 plus 15. 45. 45. And 15 into 4?
15 into 4. 60.
60. Very good. 60. Now you can we can write like this because these multiples are unlimited. And now write common multiples. Common 30 and 60. Yes, very good. Common multiples. So children, you can circle what are the common. Here it is 30 and here also 30. Here it is 60 and here also 60.
Ma'am, here we can use prime factorization method, right?
Prime factorization method we will do in the rough book. Here this chapter I told you know as this chapter name is factors and multiples. We will write this method. Common multiples. Can you write here 30 and 60? Here it is 60. We will get more multiples here, but we have written only this much. Now tell me, Ayman, can you tell me from here, which is the LCM, least common multiple? Please unmute and speak. Is there any connection problem? Yes. Yes, Ayman, can you hear me? Okay. So from here, I have written the common multiples. From here, which is the smallest number? I mean, video is like stuck. Yes, Adil, please unmute and speak. Adil.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me which is the smallest number from here? LCM.
30.
30. Very good. 30. So we have, in this method, we have written the multiples of 10, multiples of 15, and write the common multiples. And from the common multiples, we can find out the LCM. Okay, children, one more question is there. Question number B that you have to do alone. 12 and 20. Find
I'm
out the
finished.
12 and 20. Write this method. Write the common multiples. Find out the common multiples. And from the common multiples, find out the least common multiple.
I'm finished.
Finish. Let me check whether all are writing.
I'm finished.
I have not written anything, Ayman. Can you share the screen? This is question number 20A. I told you to write question number 20B now, alone. Daniel, can you please unmute and tell me the multiples of 12? Can you hear me? Yes, Ammu. I'm not able to hear, please. Daniel, sorry, I cannot hear you. Yes, Ammu. Yes, 12 and 20.
12.
Okay. So, children, 1 minute, 1 minute. I'll take next screen. 12. Tell me the multiples of 12. Question number we are writing 20B.
B.
Question number 20B. Okay, 12. Can you tell me the multiples of 12?
12, 24,
12, 24,
36,
36,
48,
48, 60, etc. Okay, this is the these are the multiples of 12. And what about 20? Yes?
40,
20 into 1. We will start with the 20. 20 into 2, 40.
60,
60, 80, etc. Okay. So, can you tell me which is the LCM? LCM of 12 and 20. 12 and 20. Check here which is the common from here.
60.
60. Yes, here is 60 and here check again. Is there any other number? No, here 60. So LCM of 12 and 20 is 60. Okay, now you have to do these two questions. You have the answer with you now. Yes, you have the answer with you now. Question number 20A, LCM of 10 and 15 is 30 and LCM of 12 and 20, the answer is 60. Do using prime factorization method now in your rough book.
Ma'am, I did prime factorization method in this workbook.
Okay, no problem.
Ma'am, I also.
You also
Ma'am,
done
I
like,
also did.
did same method. Okay. Those who have done like this method, writing all the multiples, then finding out the LCM, please do prime factorization method in your rough book. And check whether you are getting both the methods same answer. Yes, John Sebi, I don't know what's the problem. Children, can you see the, Brightlin, can you see the board? Brightlin?
Yes, ma'am, we can see.
I think
Ma'am,
John
yes,
Sebi,
ma'am.
I think there is some maybe network problem.
can see the board.
Okay, so children, we will do this. We can use this. Can we check whether we are getting this using prime factorization method? So 12. Fia, please unmute and tell me how we can write this 12, Fia. Prime factorization method we are going to do now. Check. John Sebi, can you see the board now?
No, ma'am.
No? I think maybe there is. Adinath, please unmute and. Tell me 12. How you can write? 2 into
Ma'am,
which
12.
number?
26.
2 into 6. Okay. And 6 can be written as
2 into 3.
2 into 3 or 3 into 2. Okay, no problem. So 12 we can write as
2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 3.
12 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3. Which is the next number? 20. Okay, so 20, how will I do here?
22 into 10.
2 into 10.
2 into
And
10.
10 can be written as
2 into 5.
2 into 5.
5.
So all the numbers are now prime numbers. So 20 can be written as 2 into
2
into 5.
5. And LCM, I told you, how many, can you tell me, how many times repeated here? 2.
Ma'am, 2 times.
2 times it is repeated, maximum 2 times.
2
And
into
3?
3.
3 how many times?
1 time. 1 time.
time. And 5?
1 time.
1 time. Now multiply and check whether you get 60. 2 into 2? 4. 4 into 3? 12. 12 into 5?
60.
60. Our answer is 60 is
Correct.
correct. Our answer 60 is correct.
Correct.
So, children, if you have any doubt, you can use prime factorization method and if you want to check, you can use the other method also. So, children, which one you find it easy? Which one is easy? Can you tell me? Okay. All of you please mute.
Ma'am, can you explain the 18th question? I did not understood properly. 18th one.
Why? Telling me, read the book, look the question. 15, how we can write?
Ma'am,
All others please mute and only Angela. Yes. How we can write 15? Tell me. Look at the
15 into 1, 15.
15 into 1. Angelina, why we want to write 15 into 1? 3 into 5 only we can write 15.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, 3 into 5 only. Okay, then how we can write 18?
18 we can write 16. 6 into 3.
Okay, 6 into 3. And 6 again, how you can write?
3 into 2.
3 into 2. Okay, so 18 can be written as 2 into 3 into 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now tell me LCM, how we can write? 2 is repeated how many times maximum? Only
1 time.
One time. 1 time.
And what about 3? How many times repeated maximum?
2 times.
2 times. And what about 5?
1 time.
1 time. Multiply and check whether you got the answer.
19.
Okay. So Angelina, you can write 1 into 15. 1 into 15 you can write. Again, you can write 15 as 3 into 5 again.
No,
So
ma'am,
you
I
want to
have a doubt which we wrote like 1 into 15, like that. When I look, I got and I didn't understood
Okay.
that.
What
method.
about Anandesh? Now is the time up. Can you tell me and we will come back? Yes.
Ma'am, if 1 into 5 is 5, right?
Ah.
Ma'am, then we cannot take
1 if you write also no problem.
multiply with it.
Anandesh, if you write 1 also there is no change. 1 into 5 you can write no problem. Okay. Okay, children. Now we will wind up the session. Okay.
Ma'am, can you send the notes? Ma'am, can you send the notes of 64 and 65
Yes.
page
All the
numbers?
notes we will do. We have one more period. After writing 2-3 questions, we will I will send the notes. Okay, children. Bye. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.